Alright, what's up you guys? I'm back for a quick little tutorial. I've had some questions about exactly what you guys are supposed to be doing each day, which is totally fine, like that's what we're working through. So I'm just going to really briefly show you what I've been talking about with like the stuff in my slides and like the remind that I sent out and stuff like that. So, you log on to Google Classroom. You'll see I posted the slides. So just go ahead and open up my slides. And then this is the PowerPoint slideshow that you will be utilizing for this first unit. And it tells you like a little bit of kind of like how to navigate Edmentum here. This is the first intro video that maybe you guys have watched, maybe some of you haven't. It's about how to navigate through Edmentum, and I just like recorded myself doing it for you guys. But this slide right here, slide 4, is super important because, and like I should have highlighted it more or something, but this checklist, when you click on it, this is what it opens to. So it tells you you're not completing the short answer questions or activities. Instead, you're going to access practice quizzes, etc., etc. So, example, day 1, here's your checklist. So you're going to do the introduction, which is like the pretest and stuff like that. Then the tutorial has these major topics. So Charles Darwin and his theories, evidence for evolution, science careers, and then a summary. Then here's your practice quiz for tutorial number 1 or day 1. So, you go through the tutorial slides and then you have this practice quiz and then you can do the mastery test. I believe that there are some discussion board posts that I will look at if you do them, but I guess because they're not on this checklist that the other bio teachers and I made, they're optional. I think that there's some good topics on there, but if you don't want to do them, you don't have to. I'd love to read like your responses, but again, that's optional. I just want you to go off the checklist. Okay, so let's say you finish the checklist for day 1. Here's the checklist for day 2. Same thing. Day 3, there's only 3 days. And then the post test. Now, one last thing that I want to point out to you guys is on the next slide. So you have your checklist slide right here. This is a little side note. If you get locked out, just email me. I can easily unlock it for you, but it's hard for me to know if you've got locked out of something because like I don't get a notification about it, so you have to email me. This other thing I really want to point out is this calendar. So this is a suggested pace that you can go through this unit. So, today, the 30th, Edmentum begin day 1. Monday, the 4th, Edmentum day 1, try to finish it, right? And then Wednesday, so for your next class, you'll begin day 2. Friday, finish day 2. Tuesday, day 3. Thursday, day 3. And then by the 18th or so, we should be wrapping up evolution. And you should be starting the mastery test. So hopefully this helped clear up some things for you guys. And as always, definitely let me know these questions because then I could give you some supplemental material just like this. Maybe it'll help. So yeah, hope you guys are doing good. Miss you.